Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Presenting the second episode of IIGC Talks today, we're going to largely talk about the World Influencer Day. The World Influencer Day is being celebrated on the 2nd of December. We are almost close to it. And we have three lovely guests today with us. I'm sincerely thankful to each one of you for taking the time out. I'll start with introducing Shireen, who's been an actor and now creates some very redefining realness content is what internet has told me about you. Harpreet, we all know you. You're a creator, TEDx speaker, NDTV mom influencer, TOI parent voice, and the stylish mom vs Prada. Thank you very much, Harpreet. Shashank is, I think, every professional's dream. He works with Google, is a fairly large influencer today, talks about career, interviews, and growth. So all three of you, a warm welcome. I think before I hand it over to you to introduce, I'm just going to quickly talk about the World Influencer Day, why we are doing it as an inaugural attempt. I think last 6-7 years, our lives, what we consume as content, how we travel, some of us got very religious, spiritual, some of us have got healthier. I think a lot of credit goes to you all for creating some mind-blowing, content as you all do. And I think the world has not been as fair or as appreciating of what you guys have done in each of the categories. So I think that's the thought which we had, and I think we thought that we'll jump on to create something where we'll Googled out and figure out there is no World Influencer Day. So we thought it's an opportunity, and we created the World Influencer Day. So I think through the next couple of weeks, we're going to talk about how lives have become better because of creators. So that's the larger, all appreciation, no negative banter, nothing. So we're going to start with each one of you. I just want you all to introduce yourself in the way you may want to. We'll start maybe from Shashank. But I just want you to add one thing where you introduce yourself for the larger audience. If you could also tell what was that one pivotal moment where you felt, हाँ यार मैं भी creator बन सकता हूँ या मैं बन रहा हूँ यार ये तो viral जा रहा है कुछ तो हो रहा है because I think a lot of people want to know what's that point. So all three of you please introduce and the answer to this.
Thank you so much, Sahil, for having me here. So I started my content creation journey 5 years back. So been with Google for close to 10 years now. There I look into startup sales and VC partnerships. In 2020 is the year when I started with my content creation. It was a very funny incident. So my sister has cracked UPSC and I just made a video talking about that बहन का UPSC निकल गया अब ये तो मुझे भाव नहीं देगी, and that video went viral like anything. I posted it on YouTube and it got somewhere close to 2-3 lakh views. And then overnight we got the YouTube revenue thing also flowing up, और वो आपके आ गए थे 7-8,000 subscribers. But then I quickly realized कि now the audience that has came, they have came because of my sister, because she was talking about her UPSC experience. And then I figured out कि मेरे से audience उतना relate अभी कर नहीं पा रही है, because I coming from a private job, I was not able to add any value. So back in 2021, then I pivoted to Instagram, came up with a handle called as That Salaried Guy, because I identified कि nobody is talking about the challenges of a working professional. So if you get a salary, how you should go about investing, how you should look at your job opening, job hopping, ये सारी चीज़ों पे कोई बात नहीं कर रहा था. So it started back in 2021 with That Salaried Guy, and now it has grown decently. It has close to 800k follower base on Instagram. Across all channels, it has grown to 1.5 million. बट ये दिसंबर में रियलाइजेशन हुआ कि चलो कंटेंट तो क्रिएट कर ही रहे हैं, इसको और ज़्यादा कैसे इम्पैक्टफुल कर सकते हैं. सो देन आई थॉट कि मे बी स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग आउट कम्युनिटीज़ एज वेल. सो यू आर गेटिंग पीपल वाया योर चैनल एंड ब्रिंग देम इन योर कम्युनिटी, मेक ऑनलाइन कम्युनिटीज़ वेयर you keep on doing activities that enrich the life of working professionals. So I founded Salaried Club and Salaried Women Club. Both of these now have 2 lakh plus members. Every weekend we keep on doing some upskilling kind of activity. And yes, this is how my journey started.
Excellent, Shashank. One quick question before we move to Harpreet. When your sister's, reel or post got viral, how many followers you had then?
So it was a overnight success. YouTube mein this was my first video, and
It was your first video?
हाँ, it was first video, and next morning I saw some 10,000 subscribers on the page itself with one video. So that also gave me an insight कि if you create something meaningful or something aspirational, people tend to follow, and once they start following you, then you have a kind of obligation also कि आपको जो बातें करनी है वो सही करनी है और आप कुछ impact create कर सकते हो really. So that is when I pivoted to Instagram and started.
Harpreet, over to you.
Yes, this is going to be interesting. Thank you, Sahil. So my journey, I was a corporate slave, like 16 years of my life. I've been in a job, so I didn't know any other way, and that was like my best life. And I didn't know उस पार भी कुछ और हो सकता है. So I planned to leave my job when my second one was born, and I was preparing for that. That I have to leave and settle in with my daughter. And I don't know why I always felt when I was raising my kids that my friends found the way I raised my kids very easy versus the way they were dealing with their children. And I was this agony aunt for my friends in my office. They should come back to me with everything, and I had solutions for everything, surprisingly. I take life very easy, actually. मैं इतने पे harsh नहीं होती अपने ऊपर. So people wanted to learn it from me. I don't know, Instagram ऐसा कुछ आ जाएगा. So I तो was just sharing. So then Insta came and I just started sharing some videos, random. और उसमें बिल्कुल प्लेन वनीला वीडियोस और आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग लाइक मेरे दिल में क्या कोई था ही नहीं ना देखने वाला तो खुद ही जो होता रैंट कर देती थी. वन डे माई वीडियो got picked up by Viral Bayani, and he wrote about it that the mom who rocks Instagram in India, and my phone didn't stop. And I was like, मैं इतनी naive थी, I didn't know who Viral Bayani was also. इतनी naive. My friend was like, you're mad, you know, the father of the Paps has written about you. And I went and I wrote to him, I remember that, I follow you, but I think there's some confusion. I'm a very simple girl from Delhi and there's been some... But that moment made me realize कि मैं कुछ तो कर रही हूँ अपनी ज़िंदगी में, कहीं कोई इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है कि कोई इतना बड़ा आदमी भी मुझे देख रहा है. And that's how it all started. I saved up some money and didn't want to ask anyone. So 6 महीने की सैलरी जोड़ी और मुझे लगा कि ये अच्छा सा फ़ोन, एक ट्राईपॉड, वो लाइटें, वो सब खरीद के मैं भी कुछ ट्राई करती हूँ. बट आई फेल्ड मिजरेबली. हाँ साहिल, मुझे नहीं आता था कैमरा या लाइट से यूज़ करना, तो मैं अपने घर के बाहर की वो रोशनी में मतलब शुरू जाती लाइट बन कुछ वीडियोज़ बनाना. मुझे याद है मैंने ऑफिस खोला था तो एक टेबल था, 2 चेयर्स थी और एक लंबा सा खाली रूम, टू वॉट इट्स टर्नड आउट टू बी टुडे. And so I enjoy talking about womanhood, and especially with my journey, that how, we moms can do it all. So I always say that if I can give birth to a child, मतलब मैं कुछ create कर सकती हूँ, इस दुनिया में, तो मैं फिर कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ. So, and not me, any mother can do anything. That's how I started, and now I do multiple things. I'm an entrepreneur full time. Like I run this multi-designer store called Rags, where I'm supporting about 37 women right now who are working out of their homes. I've created a whole space for them. It's in DLF Avenue. Then I also have a pickleball league now, where I have 10 teams and 120 players. This is amazing. And when I'm talking about it, I'm feeling so good. And then I'm also now launching an app. It's called Shop Mama, and it's going to be quick fix for a mother, like 60 minutes delivery, 15 to 60 minutes, like a 10 minutes delivery kind of a situation. So मैं उस पे काम कर रही हूँ, तो मैं ये सब कर रही हूँ from where what I started with where I've reached. So yeah.
Very interesting, Harpreet.
So if I can do it, anybody can.
No, I think very interesting. What's common between both of your journey is the pivotal moment came out of sheer ignorance, if I may say. Because it wasn't planned, because a lot of creators we talk to and a lot of people who want to be creators कि यार मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि कुछ ऐसा बन जाए, कुछ controversy कर दूँ. But I think hearing the stories of 2 very established creators, I think the entire moment came out of sheer ignorance, sheer innocence, I would say.
साहिल, आपको पता है मैं ये सोचती थी कि मुझे तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है ना, मैं खाना बना सकती हूँ, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता था. तो मुझे लगा मुझे एक चीज़ आती है, वो है जीना. मैं जीना सिखाती हूँ सबको. Like that's how I just started. Can you believe?
Lovely. Shireen, you've been on TV. So you were popular even before you became a creator. So what's your side of the story?
So Sahir, as you shared that I started as an actor, and I think I'll die also as an actor only, because like acting is my first love, and since school I have been like acting, and annual day में lead करने से लेकर यहाँ तक, मतलब it has always been acting only. And when somebody just asked me that शुरू कहाँ से हुआ था, मतलब शुरू तो वहाँ से हुआ था जब 3rd standard में स्कूल में ऑडिशंस हो रहे थे एनुअल डे में शकुंतला के कैरेक्टर के लिए, और मैं अंदर से लगी हुई थी कि नहीं मुझे ये कैरेक्टर करना है, मुझे लीड करना है. मतलब तो इफ लाइक it started from there. And then like my college was all about acting. Like मैं पढ़ने तो सिर्फ नाम के लिए गई थी, otherwise I was a part of the dramatic society, and I have done more than like 300-400 street plays and stage plays. I don't even remember the numbers. I shifted to Mumbai. I got my first show, which was the show which is still on, Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, and I did that show for good 3 years. After that, I think it just went on. I always felt like there's some force was choosing me to do this, because as people just I know so many people who have been struggling since years to get that one chance. I got that one chance. Yes, I worked hard for that, but if कहते हैं ना आपको वहाँ देखना चाहिए कि always try and understand कि आपके पास जो है वो औरों से कई ज़्यादा है. So you should not just always think on the other side. So I went to Bombay as Harpreet, and like we align a lot because like we have similar stories. I also didn't know anything. बस मुंह उठा के I went to Mumbai. Okay, क्या करने आए हैं Bombay घर छोड़ के? I never wanted to leave my house because like single child, very family oriented. मैंने audition देने आए हैं. So I gave I think more than 250-300 auditions in a month. क्योंकि कुछ और था ही नहीं ना वहाँ पे करने को. फ्रेंड्स यहाँ, मम्मी पापा यहाँ, एवरीथिंग वाज हियर. एंड देन आई लेफ्ट दैट शो थिंकिंग दैट आई वांट टू ट्राई इफ आई कैन डू एनीथिंग एल्स बिकॉज आई वाज थिंकिंग दैट आई माइट गो बैक टू Delhi in another 2 years or something because my parents are back there. In these 2 years I want to see if I can do anything else or not. And then God was very kind. OTT आ गया, web series आ गई, and I got to be a part of like so many web series. Netflix आ गया. I did one series for Netflix. I did one for Sony Live. Then I got a film. Like things were just going on until and unless there came this point where COVID happened. I came to Delhi couple of days before the actual pandemic was there, and there was a lockdown, and I never thought that ऐसा कुछ होगा. I thought that it's going amazing. We are shooting almost every day, and we are there. We are doing films. We are doing web series, and like सब बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. And that is when मुझे realize हुआ that things can change. And as these people have shared that it came out of nowhere. I was locked in the house and my parents were right there. I had no work. I was going crazy. And मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे हमें सबको बताती है बात कि मेरी मम्मी ने एक दिन मुझे बस मजाक में या ऐसे चिढ़ में बोला था कि सारा दिन मुझसे लड़ती रहती है, दुनिया काम कर रही है, तू भी कुछ काम कर ले, हम अपना काम नहीं कर रहे, हम घर नहीं साफ रख रहे, तुम अपना काम करो, तुम अपना. Then I thought actually में मेरा काम क्या है. And then I realized that my job is to entertain. I have always done that since school. So how can I entertain? Okay, I have a camera, lights. तब तो रिंग लाइट भी नहीं आ रही थी पैंडमिक में, इतना बुरा हाल था. सो आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग. आई वाज डूइंग सम वीडियोज अर्लियर बैक फॉर यूट्यूब बट आई नेवर टुक इट सीरियसली. सो आई शॉट सम वीडियोज इन कोविड. I wrote them, but I never posted. And I think then my parents got me married, and it was after my marriage I randomly posted one video on Instagram. And very honestly, I never thought that I would ever become a creator, because I always thought that I am meant to act, because it still satisfies me like nothing else. जब वो डायरेक्टर हमारे एक्शन बोलते हैं और हम एक सीन परफॉर्म करते हैं पूरी शिद्दत के साथ, एंड जब वो सीन हम देखते हैं, एंड व्हेन आई सी लाइक माय फादर और माय फ्रेंड्स और माय ऑडियंस लविंग इट, माय डे इज मेड. बट honestly, I didn't choose to be a creator. My audience decided that she needs to be a creator, because when I posted that video, after that I think it was my 3rd or 4th video, and the character was Chinky ki mummy, and that went viral. It was my 3rd or 4th video, and it crossed around 7-8 millions in like 3-4 days, and like it was everywhere and everywhere. You're so good, and I was like, acha. Okay. And then I didn't know that content creation also gives you money. And then I was working with this agency, and we were working for IDEO, and they came up with the first brand, and they told me that you have to shoot this video, think of a concept, and this is what you will get. It's like, मुझे घर पे शूट करने के पैसे भी देंगे. पहला थॉट तो यही आया था दिमाग में. एंड बिकॉज वी हैड लाइक ऑडिशन लाइक डे एंड नाइट, वी हैड शॉट फॉर 12 आवर्स, एंड देन आई थॉट दैट ओके, हम उतनी मेहनत करते थे और तब जाकर हमारे को प्रॉबेबली ये कमर्शियल्स या प्रॉबेबली इससे कम कमर्शियल्स मिलते थे. एंड दिस इज माई फर्स्ट वीडियो, एंड दे आर टेलिंग मी दैट दे विल गिव मी मनी फॉर दिस. एंड फ्रॉम देन व्हेन मैं सिंधी हूँ, पैसा आता तो मुझे कभी बुरा नहीं लगता. तो आई थॉट दैट ओके, दे आर गिविंग मी मनी टू शूट, एंड देन माई ऑडियंस शोड मी दैट लव, एंड देन आई वाज लाइक, इफ they have always been everything to me, they are my everything. My audience is I'm like doing anything and everything for them. So if they are choosing content creation for me, so okay, I will always continue acting, because that
But you've largely still kept on doing characters, right? It's mostly been characters on Instagram also, right?
Characters on Instagram, and then God was kind enough. Even after I started content creation, my like I kept getting good offers from acting field, and before I gave birth to my son, I did Rafu Chakkar with Manish Paul, and that was my last series that I did. And then तो मेरी जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा project आ गया, and I was like, I'm very happy with him. And recently, like then I lost weight and everything, and now also I'm like कि I am very content कि ठीक है बढ़िया चल रहा है, and now if I get a role which actually pulls me enough where I feel that it's worth like managing my house, my baby, my content creation, then I will obviously take it. Otherwise, I am very happy. I take each day at a time. I have not set like big goals for myself, because I just feel that if I have the capacity of 100%, I'll give my 500% every day, and let's see where we go.
Excellent, Shireen. I think very interesting to hear a different story. I think looking back at COVID, I think pharma and then creators are the only two people who got anything out of it. The rest of the world is still wondering what was COVID. So interesting. Thank you very much for the lovely introduction and the story behind it. One quick one for all of you. World Influencer Day. What does that mean for you? You have something to say? We'll start with Shireen maybe first. We'll reverse the order. What do you think World Influencer Day should do for the creators? And
Sahil, I just I feel very intimidated by this word influencer, because I just feel that it may sound funny to people, but I really feel कि मैं like my parents and my husband, everybody around me just say that तुम तो खुद किसी से भी 30 सेकंड में इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाते हो, तुम किसी को क्या इन्फ्लुएंस करोगे, and I feel that. So I always consider myself as a content creator, and if anything that I do inspires somebody or influences somebody or helps somebody, which is a better word, आई थिंक मेरा दिन बन जाता है, मैं बहुत खुश हो जाती हूँ. मेरे पास रैंडम रिक्वेस्ट या कोई डीएम भी आता है, तो मैं हमेशा बड़े उससे वो करती हूँ कि हाँ मैं ये यूज़ कर रही हूँ, तुम भी करो, बहुत अच्छा है ये. सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ वर्ल्ड इन्फ्लुएंसर डे, आई जस्ट फील दिस दैट येस वी आर some people who are doing some stuff which is probably helping or inspiring some people in some way, and we should just be very careful with that. And celebrations के तो बहाने होने चाहिए. That is what I feel. So yes, we all are working hard, and we all are as a community, we are really putting ourselves out, and it's a good thing to celebrate. And I am glad that Indian Influencer Governing Council has taken this initiative, and now 2nd December will be another day for celebration. तो केक खाने को मिलेगा, बढ़िया होगा, मजा आएगा.
केक पक्का मिलेगा. हाँ जी, हरप्रीत.
For me, it's बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ यार कि एक पहचान मिल रही है ऐसी. हम अभी अब ढूंढ ही रहे हैं अपने आप को, समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हो क्या रहा है. आई थिंक हम लोग ना स्टार्टर्स वाले हैं, तो ये सारा ब्रंट हम ही लेंगे, और हमारे जो बाद आएंगे वो बहुत इंजॉय करने वाले हैं. सो फॉर मी इट्स लाइक गिविंग अनदर पहचान. दैट्स हाउ आई सी वर्ल्ड इन्फ्लुएंसर्स डे.
I think Sahil, it's basically acknowledging the work that creators are doing, because if you look at it from marketing point of view, there is one KLT framework, that is, if audience watches you, first they know you, then they like you, and then they finally trust you. So as a creator, you have to go through all three phases of the journey. If you're somebody who's a superstar in Bollywood, they might trust you. If you're a cricketer, they might like you. But as an influencer, आपको वो gain करना पड़ता है. So I think this is a celebration of everybody who is just putting themselves out there and consistent, so that they are going through all the three phases, and at the end of it, creating some value for the audience.
Excellent. And I think that's what we also hope from the Indian Influencer Governing Council, also now popularly called IIGC, wherein I think we just want to come forward and, as you very rightly said, give a pehchan, because a lot of people still wonder कि influencer क्या कोई proper profession भी है यार. कोई कहता है कि यार.
I still struggle with it. Lot of time people, if I get 500 DMs a day, 2 आ जाते हैं. What do you do? But
Yeah, exactly. I mean,
what do you do?
I am an influencer, but कहते हैं करता क्या है?
हाँ.
But I think.
हाँ.
But I think that's the neutral part of it. I think, but there has also been an extreme where, I think a lot of, slaughtering has happened for a lot lesser a crime, I would say. I mean, if you look back at TV, and I always say that अभी भी पान मसाला के ad भर के चल रहे हैं.
Right.
While that's okay with the society, but influencer using even a cuss word is in the courts. So I think that's also a reason where IIGC wants to come forward and really say that, these are serious people, they do serious stuff, they are actors, they are professionals, but they still want to create content which helps people. So
देश की धरोहर हमारे हाथ में.
देश की धरोहर आपके हाथ में है is a good one. moving on quickly to another very important topic I want to touch is, so we're talking World Influencer Day. We also want to talk about what impact does our content has on the world and what responsibilities we have. So I'll start with you, Shashank. I mean, on the subject that, have you ever felt the need कि यार, okay, I am making content, I need to be extremely, responsible with what I say, or has a DM reached you which made you realize कि अच्छा यार तो सही बात कह रहा है यार, मैं क्या content बना रहा हूँ या क्या बोल रहा हूँ, and what's your whole think about the impact your content has on the audience, and at times do you also think it's misunderstood?
Yeah, so I'll tell you, the category that I operate in is a transactional category, क्योंकि किसी को भी job चाहिए होता है, they want immediate results. So many times the DM that I keep on getting is कि या तो हमारी job लगवा दो, या तो किसी का आ जाता है कि यार मेरे को यहाँ ऑफिस में बॉस तंग करा है, आप हेल्प कर दो. तो जब इस तरह का कंटेंट आता है या इस तरह के लोग रीच आउट करते हैं, then you get a feeling कि people treat you as someone who can solve their problem. But as a creator, I know कि I am putting right information out there, but I can't be solving for it, क्योंकि hand holding one-on-one consultation I am not doing. So as a creator, then I make sure कि I am sticking to all the 3 content buckets. आपको 3 तरह की content आप बनाते हो. पहला आपको पता है कि ये वायरल हो जाएगा, जो वायरलिटी को आप चेस कर. So that creates pressure, because I know if I want to talk about something, I have to put it, maybe it will cross 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, then I know platform will punish, it will not get the reach. But I make sure कि at least content जहाँ पे मुझे पता है कि मेरी credibility establish हो रही, I keep on pushing that, but I have to then balance it with the content जहाँ पे engagement high हो, virality high हो, because at the end of the day you are also being judged what is your engagement rate, what kind of followership are you having, are you degrowing, are you growing. So in striking that balance at times becomes difficult, but I take a judicious call कि at least 40% of my content is what I want message to land, irrespective of अगर 20,000 व्यू आ रहे हैं, 30,000 व्यू आ रहे हैं, वो मुझे मैटर नहीं करना चाहिए उस कंटेंट पीसेस में. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट आई कीप टेलिंग ब्रांड्स एज वेल. जैसे भी मेरी कुछ दिन पहले बात हुई थी, समबडी टोल्ड मी कि आपके 5 वीडियोस देखे, उसमें 2-3 तो चले गए मिलियन, 2 तो 40,000 पे. मैंने कहा आपने 40,000 खोल के देखा, उसमें मैंने बात की हुई है कि जॉब मार्केट में क्या इंपैक्ट आएगा AI का, आपको पढ़ना कितना ज़रूरी है, और उसमें मैं 30 सेकंड को चेज़ नहीं कर सकता. आई हैव टू चेज़ होल 3 मिनट्स, तभी वो मैसेज लैंड करेगा. अब अच्छा है अगर 40,000 में 40-50 भी सीख के कुछ कर लेते हैं, देन दैट इज़ इम्पैक्ट फॉर मी. आई कांट वॉन्ट इट टू बी गोइंग 4 मिलियन 5 मिलियन, क्योंकि पता है कि वो कंटेंट ये है ही नहीं जो मैंने पुट अक्रॉस किया.
I think also it's a very common one that पहले 2 के तो मिलियन है. But I think we also are getting to a point where we not only look at engagement, look at meaningful engagement.
राइट.
I mean, you look at the comments at times and you feel कि यार engagement rate तो बहुत है, but comments में तो कुछ है ही नहीं.
हाँ.
So I think that's also a thing which the industry is moving towards, called the meaningful engagement. Harpreet, when do you create content? What's your thought around the impact, responsibility, and how do you perceive the audience?
मेरे 2-3 थॉट्स हैं साहिल. एक ना, मैंने बिलीव यू मी, मैं नंबर्स देखती ही नहीं. मुझे लगता है कि मुझे एक इतनी ब्यूटीफुल चीज़ मिली है जिसमें मुझे ये आज़ादी है कि जो मैं बोलना चाहूँ मैं वो बोल सकूँ. तो मैं तो उसी में बड़ी खुश हूँ ना. मैं तो अभी पहुँच ही नहीं पा रही कि मैं सोचूं कि ये वायरल करा दो, अब ये वायरल हो जाए. द काइंड ऑफ DMs आई गेट, I have so many women writing to me their personal stories, their journey, their struggle, child, husband, in-laws, mother-in-law. तो मुझे कई बार लगता है, माई टीम टेल्स मी आप थेरेपिस्ट बन जाओ. आई थिंक आपकी थेरेपी की जॉब है ये, बिकॉज आई टेल देम, दे ओपन देयर हार्ट्स टू मी. सो माई कॉन्टेंट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड दैट देन आई डोंट सी. तो मैं कोशिश करती हूँ जो मैं लाइफ में फॉलो करती हूँ वही शेयर करूँ. उसमें कुछ ज़्यादा कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल है नहीं. आई लीड अ वेरी सिंपल लाइफ. आई स्टे अवे फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ दिस नेगेटिविटी. मतलब मैं अपने आप को टच नहीं करने देती. सो एंड आई शेयर व्हाट आई फील वेरी वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है अगर ये औरतें अपने दिल की इतनी इतनी बातें मुझसे कर रही हैं, वो मुझे कितना ट्रस्ट करती होंगी. दैट आई एम गोना कीप इट विद माई सेल्फ एंड शेयर वट एवर माई जर्नी हैज़ बीन, बिकॉज माई जर्नी हैज़ ऑल्सो बीन गेटिंग इन टू अ family where working was not allowed to today what I'm doing. So it's a whole journey that they have seen with me. So I try and be very responsible and share my content, my DMs, that where somebody is benefiting out of me. और जो मैं सबसे important, जो मैं खुद नहीं use करती, वो मैं किसी को promote नहीं करती. I don't. You pay me any amount of money, because those mothers, they're trusting me for their children. I cannot do it for some money. जो इज्जत और जो trust बनाया ना साहिल, that is everything to me. So.
But that's interesting that you're very clear with your guardrails. I'm looked upon as someone who's very responsible, so I'm never going to disappoint my audience.
जो मिलता है वो मुझे कहता है you're so inspiring. मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या इंस्पायर कर रही हूँ, पर कुछ तो कर रही होंगी. So I want to be very sure that what I get into. I for some views I don't want to. बहुत प्यार मिला यार. I don't want to ruin it.
Excellent. Yes, Shireen. So what is your thought around? I mean, I know you've been an actor turned into a creator now, as you want to call an influencer. But you are also very careful about, because I've seen your content has extremely high engagement rate. So what do you think when you post something about the audience, about what you're posting, and when a brand comes, like she's very clear, she's not going to promote a brand she doesn't use. What are your guardrails on it?
So, Sahil, with me, it's very simple. As I mentioned earlier, that I consider myself as an entertainer, जिसके अंदर मैंने एक्टिंग कर ली, जिसके अंदर मैं कंटेंट क्रिएशन कर रही हूँ, जिसके साथ में अगर कोई इन्फ्लुएंस हो रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. मैं अपने आप को एज एन एंटरटेनर देखती हूँ, एंड माई जॉब इज़ वेरी सिंपल दैट today when every other person is having like depression, people are going through so much of stress, and we talk about mental health so seriously, and if you come to my page, if you see something and in that 1 minute 30-second video, even if you do not see the entire video because of any some reason, but for 20-30 seconds I made your mood lighter, I made you smile, I made you forget what you're going through, I think I have achieved what I want to. That is my pure intention of working and making videos. I am myself a mother. I also manage my family, and there are days when I'm going crazy and you have no idea what I am going through, but I have to cut through all of that. I have to write a script. I have to make sure that, it is relatable, comic, funny, quirky, whatever it is, and I have to put that out because there are people who are watching me for that reason. And as she said, because of what we do, because of how we make people feel, and they really love us, and like they show their love, they pamper us, so we are at a very responsible situation. तो अगर कोई आपके लिए इतना कर रहा है तो आपकी ड्यूटी है कि आप एटलीस्ट अपना काम जो आप ही ने उनके लिए चूज़ करा है कि आप करोगे, आप वो 100% दे के करो. एंड आई जस्ट सी माई सेल्फ एज एन एंटरटेनर हु इज जस्ट देयर टू एंटरटेन एंड मेक पीपल फील लाइट.
But what's that something, I'm going to ask this to all of you, but since you already touched upon it, so I'm going to jump on to the next question also. In the entire journey of creators, where, as I earlier said, a larger perception is सब glamorous है यार, बढ़िया गाड़ियाँ हैं, the whole fashion, it looks nice, sitting on a beach. But for the audience and also for the young creators who would maybe love to listen to this conversation and learn, what's that unfiltered things you want to say that it's not all that easy behind the scenes?
Yeah, of course, it is not easy and it is not hunky-dory what you always see, and it is on us what we decide to show you. So on some days we want to show you that we are decked up, and you do not see the struggles of what went behind the scenes, and like the struggles of like getting everything together, managing everything. And personally talking about myself, I am very raw and very candid on my page. I show all the sides. I also put up stories asking I had a funny conversation with my husband. I was like, वो पोचे को हाथ लगा रहा है कितने, and then we say कि आपको हमें तो इसको इंग्लिश सिखानी है, and then he turns up, मैंने पोचे को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं, and he like पोचे को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं. So I'll put up that story कि पोचे को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं.
कुछ ही बोलते हैं मेरे ख्याल.
And then so many people wrote to me, it's called mop, and then we are
Mop.
talking कि mop तो वाइपर को बोलते हैं ना, पोचे को actually English में क्या बोलते हैं. So I'm very candid. I show them the struggle, I show them the mess, I show them myself probably when I have not done my makeup, when my baby hair are coming all out, and I make fun of that also. And I just feel that I deliberately do that because that is where people will connect ना, that we all are alike. आप तैयार होके ऑफिस जा रहे हो, मैं तैयार होके शूट कर रही हूँ, कोई खास फ़र्क नहीं है. सो एज मैं जैसे आपके काम को ऐसे नहीं समझती कि क्या कर रहे हो, तैयार होकर ऑफिस जाके बैठ ही रहे हो, तो आप भी मेरे काम को ऐसे मत समझो कि हाँ इनके लिए तो सब अपने आप हो जाता है, किसी का कोई काम अपने आप नहीं होता है. आई ऑलवेज बिलीव दैट इवन इफ समबडी इज डूइंग द सिंपलेस्ट ऑफ वर्क, it takes a village, it takes everything in you to do that. So that is how it should be.
Grass is not always green. Shashank, for you, different. Every corporate person's dream, as I said, Google में job भी करता है, creator बन गया है. What's the unfiltered background truth about the reality, how tough it is, or because you may end up inspiring a lot of people who may also want to create content. At the same time, they want to carry on with their careers, right?
Right.
So, what's your story in the back?
So I keep on getting this question, Sahil, but everybody thinks that it's a overnight success. But if you look at me, since last 5 years, every day I've put across a video, whether I am here, whether if we are, my son was about to be born that morning, some news came related to working professionals, some HRA rate cut and all. तो मैंने वहाँ पे भी shoot करके डाल ही दिया. So if you show up consistently every day, then only it results into something, because there are many people whom I meet in personal life, whom I meet in office. They also want to start, and some of them start also, but they give up after 1 to 2 months. So nobody sees the hard work that goes behind it, because you are then sticking to a schedule and you are following it day in, day and night. Like my office starts at 9, so I start my day at 7:30 and everything ends by 6. Then I come back home, 1 hour is with my son. 7 to 8 is when I shoot the content. Then 8 to 9 I have meeting with my content team. Then there is community work going on. 8 to 9 I finish that off. Then 9 o'clock my team does a stand up कि अब क्या चल रहा है, कल का क्या शूट करना है, आपकी ये स्क्रिप्ट आई, तो 10 बजे ख़त्म होता है. तो मैं तो डेली 16-17 आवर्स लॉक करो. सो आई इट्स नॉट अ ओवरनाइट सक्सेस, इट्स जस्ट दैट यू पीपल फील लाइक कि अचानक से वायरल हो गया, बट वायरलिटी के पीछे भी इट हैज़ टेकन समवेयर क्लोज टू 4-5 years of
17 hours a day.
राइट.
नारायण मूर्ति तो कह रहे हैं कि सिर्फ IT वाले ही काम कर रहे हैं, मतलब creator world is also putting in, but you also fix up a frequency. Just touching on that subject, you said मैं हर दिन post कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ, so I've decided
You decided
कि,
a very frequency का calendar कि मैं ये करूँगा इस month
हाँ,
में,
so
और it's more impromptu.
हाँ, it's नहीं, it's a frequency based game only, because if you put out content every day, then your incremental reach keeps on growing. So I make sure कि every day I talk about stuff. The day when I don't have anything to share related to job market or something, I share my personal stuff कि ये मेरी learning रही है. But frequency 1 hour per day is something that.
But have you seen a difference in the engagement when you post something which is for the audience versus something which they see about
so
you?
like I told you initially also, there are some content pieces where I know it will go viral because it is related to job per se, and then there are pieces where I know ki there I am just talking about my mind, what's going on inside me, and it might not get that reach, but it is landing the message. Like my wife also, she recently quit her job, now she has also started a page, so it's just been 15 days. She was telling me अरे 1000 भी नहीं हो रहा है, अभी 350 है. मैं कहा ये 4 साल से कर रहा हूँ मैं, अभी एटलीस्ट 1 साल रुको, उसके बाद देखते हैं 1000 होते हैं कि कितने होते हैं फॉलोअर्स.
Harpreet, what's your back thought on?
बैक स्टोरी. यार हमारे कितने डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं साहिल, हम सारे डिपार्टमेंट खुद हैंडल करते हैं. एडिट कर लो, राइटिंग कर लो, मतलब मुझे कई बार लगता है आई एम एन एजेंसी इन माई सेल्फ. और बिकॉज द वे आई वॉन्ट माई स्क्रीन प्ले, द शॉर्ट, वो ये ऐसे होगा, मतलब सब कुछ आई थिंक. बट दैट्स हाउ इट इज़. आई डोंट कंप्लेन बिकॉज आई चोज दिस एंड आई लव इट. अब जिसको जो सोचना है, मुझे भी आता है कई बार ये कि एक तो आता है मुझे हाउ डू यू मैनेज, तो उसके लिए मैं बोलती हूँ आई लव व्हाट आई डू. तो मुझे लगता ही नहीं मैं काम करती हूँ, मुझे बड़े मजे आते हैं करने. आई एम श्योर यू ऑल्सो लाइक यू लव, यू नो इट्स सो विजिबल ऑन आवर फेसेस. देन सेकेंड कम्स दैट वाओ, यू नो यू लाइक क्लोथ्स, ये वो बाल, सब कुछ कितना परफेक्ट है, लाइफ इज सो परफेक्ट. आई एम लाइक कम ट्राई दिस साइड, कम कभी ट्राई तो करो. यू नो यू बीइंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा थ्रू आउट टॉकिंग, यू हैव. और मुझे समझ में आई है एक बात इस प्रोफेशन के बारे में, आइदर यू कैन डू इट or you can't. It has to come from within. You cannot imitate or act in front of camera. It just catches your eyes. So हाँ है, बोलते हैं लोग, but I've never really bothered, Sahil. मैं तो मज़े कर रही हूँ, मतलब कितने मज़े आ रहे हैं करने में यार. Why do I even put my दिमाग into what others are thinking?
But how do you guys balance it? I mean, I think it's a very common question, even for consumers or users who consume social media. But for someone like you who has to put content, कितने reach आई, देखो कुछ metrics तो देखने पड़ते हैं. I like you say, मैं नहीं देखता अपना रीच, बट सबको देखनी पड़ती है यार, मेरा कंटेंट को देख भी रहा है कि नहीं. हाउ डू यू मैनेज, बिकॉज देर इज अ पॉसिबल बर्न आउट ऑल्सो इन द प्रोसेस, देन देर इज एन एक्सपेक्टेशन, देन लीगल ना हो जाए. हाउ डू यू मेंटेन, आई मीन आई मे बी स्टार्ट विद यू Shireen, is there a method you follow about, like we were in Bangalore and I've kept on quoting, and I don't know if you would agree to it, there was a creator who said मेरा स्क्रीन टाइम 12 घंटे है, क्योंकि वो कहती है मैं तो देखती रहती हूँ, मेरे कितनी इंगेजमेंट आई, मेरे लाइक्स क्यों नहीं आ रहे, क्लिक्स क्यों नहीं आ रहे. सो and obviously you have families, you have a job, now we know you have a young kid at home. So how do you create that balance in this mad world of content creation?
I just feel that how I see or take this as is that I have no other option apart from managing it. Now, like I'm in the mid of the sea and I have to swim. So it is like I love this movie which is called Finding Nemo. And whenever I go crazy in my head and everything, I literally do that. And like my son is like 1.5 year old, and I just pick him up. I'll hug him and I'll like, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, because that is how I feel that that's the only way that I can survive through all of this, is that बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग हो जाता है कभी. अब लाइक आई एम श्योर लाइक पीपल हु हैव टॉडलर्स विल रिलेट टू मी. सो द टॉडलर फेज इज वेरी टफ. सो लाइक there he is, and then very you are editing something and you are and पीछे से आवाज आएगी that 2 किलो आलू मंगा देना, ये कर देना. and जबकि आप बहुत छोटा सा काम है कि probably you are ordering it from somewhere online, but that is also something. It is like a task कि ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, फिर रेडी भी होना है, फिर पहुंचना भी है, फिर एक ये शूट खत्म करनी है, फिर वहाँ भी जाना. उसके मीन में आई हैव टू कोऑर्डिनेट विद माय मॉम दैट एंड how I'm managing. I have a backbone and I call her my mom. She has been my strength and my backbone since like ever. Annual day wale time se, then auditions in college and everything, and right now also if I'm sitting here and I'm able to take out time without that pressure or that stress of who will handle my baby, and because this is the age where you can't leave them home alone. So my mom, and I just think that because she is there and I have this approach that I'm in the middle of the sea and I have to manage, और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. तो जैसे हम जब छोटे थे तो पापा रोज शॉप पे जाते थे, कभी तो थकते होंगे, कभी तो उनको भी ओवरवेलमिंग लगता होगा, बट उनके पास क्या कभी ऑप्शन था? अगले दिन उठ के भी तो जाना ही होता था ना. तो अब ये हमारी शॉप है, हमें तो करना ही है.
Does a creator profession as such has an extra pressure on the mental health?
It is
I see it with some, yeah. I see
Yeah.
it. Touch wood, not me.
Not with some, but with a lot.
It definitely has
I see it
pressure.
now, yes.
It definitely has pressure, but I just think it is upon you. It is upon you that
Because
how
there
you
could be a
perceive.
thought that like some of us feel that यार मैं क्यों उस समय चालू हुआ, शायद उसका भी मुझे उस समय कारण नहीं पता था. Maybe there is a back story in the head कि यार suddenly मेरा content सब देखना ना बंद कर दें.
वो तो है.
Because we've had
बिल्कुल.
cases in the past where young creators have harmed themselves because the only reason we could later out figure कि मेरे likes कम हो रहे थे, मेरे followers कम हो रहे थे. So do you think there is at times an existential crisis mentally?
See, I've seen and heard this, and because I mentor a lot of young creators into mom space, मेरा बड़ा अलग take है. मुझे I always tell them also that if you're doing this only for likes and shares and to become famous, you're in the wrong profession. You have to enjoy this journey. And हम लोग ना सबको ना कहीं पहुंचना है. साहिल, I was telling you earlier also. जर्नी को enjoy नहीं करना चाह रहा. अरे क्या जर्नी है यार, इसको तो enjoy कर लो, फिर वहाँ भी पहुंचेंगे.
सही बात है, मैं अभी घड़ी देखी जा रहा हूँ कि कितने मिनट हो गए हैं.
नहीं, but
I agree.
But वही है कि सब it's upon you that how do you want to perceive it. Of course सबको relevant रहना है, and as I said कि जैसे पापा की shop होती थी, this is our shop, and everybody and anybody around us is thinking in that way only, that we want to grow, we want to be successful, and we want to be relevant. But I this is what I feel, but that if you're doing your work with honesty and if you're giving your 100%, and as she said that if you're enjoying it, trust me, हो जाएगा,
लग जाओगे पार.
हो जाएगा. बट अगर आप उस पर सोचते रहोगे एंड अगर आप उसका स्ट्रेस लोगे, मैं कितनी बारी खुद भी वीडियो बनाती हूँ, हमारे साथ भी होता है कि मेंटल ब्लॉक आ गया, अभी समझ नहीं आ रहा, बर्नआउट हो गया, और मैं आई एम ग्रेटफुल दैट आई हैव फ्रेंड हु कम एंड टेल मी कि ना तू अभी इंजॉय करके नहीं बना रही, तू अभी प्रेशर में बना रही है, तू इस चक्कर में बना रही है कि ये वीडियो चले. जब तू इस तरीके से बनाएगी तो वो कभी काम नहीं करेगी. जब तू अपने तरीके से बनाएगी, पीपल वांट टू वॉच Shirin, पीपल वांट टू वॉच द फन दैट यू गेट ऑन द स्क्रीन. सो do that. So then probably I brainstorm or do something.
Which is true with any profession, right? Whatever work we do,
प्रेशर से करा हुआ दिख जाता है.
pressure से करा हुआ दिख जाता है. शशांक, anything different for you?
Yeah, Sahil, I think the pressure comes for those folks जिनके लिए पूरी ही चीज़ ये है कि so if you look at in terms of profession, I see lot of creators like she has a background in acting, she has a background in corporate, I also come with some experience, so at least you have something which can be your backup if this thing doesn't work out. But I see many young creators who are coming up जो इसको full time profession day one से ले रहे हैं. So first of all, you have not built some subject matter expertise. Second, your credibility in terms of your backup option is right now missing. तो वहाँ पे व्हेन दे सी कि थोड़ी वीडियोस में रीच कम हो रही है या ब्रांड डील्स कम आ रही हैं, सो बेसिकली योर मंथली बजट देन स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग हिट, एंड दैट इज वेयर द प्रेशर कम्स इन कि इफ आई एम सर्वाइविंग ऑन माई ओन, आई वॉज डिपेंडेंट ऑन सर्टेन ब्रांड काइंड ऑफ रेवेन्यू, इट इज़ नॉट फ्लोइंग इन, तो वहाँ पे देन इट टेक्स अ हिट, बिकॉज देन यू स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट एवरी वीडियो एज अ ट्रांजैक्शनल बेसिस, एंड लाइक शी राइटली टोल्ड कि अगर आप खुद को एंजॉय करके नहीं बना रहे हो और ट्रांजैक्शनल बेसिस पे ही बना रहे हो कि यार इससे और पैसे आए, तो फिर वो कहीं ना कहीं जाके हिट करता है, बिकॉज देन यू स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट दोज मेट्रिक्स ओनली.
कैमरे को सब दिखता है.
कैमरे को सब दिखता है. So she's saying enjoy it. You're also saying don't over expect too soon.
Yeah,
आप
right.
अपना सब कुछ छोड़ के बोलो अब तो फुल टाइम क्रिएटर बन गया हूँ, but you're yet to reach that level of having a niche in any
Right,
segments, right?
यार जब हमने शुरू किया था कुछ पता था ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा. सो इन लोगों के पास तो एटलीस्ट एक दे नो वेयर दे हैव टू रीच.
Right.
इट वाज डिफरेंट इन आवर टाइम. हमने तो बिल्कुल जीरो से शुरू किया था. And we
Very
set it.
surprising. Like, I don't know if I should say this in front of the camera or not. Like, I speak to certain creators who are probably now much younger and probably getting into this right now, and they just say and they ask me कि आप तो बॉम्बे रह के आए हो ना, तो अब मैं भी सोच रही हूँ मैं बॉम्बे शिफ्ट जाती हूँ, एंड आई हैव बुक दिस 1 BHK फॉर माई सेल्फ, एंड मुझे तो सी फेसिंग चाहिए था, बट अभी के लिए मुझे ये मिला है. सो एंड लाइक दे कोट सम बिग अमाउंट्स दैट दे आर पेइंग राइट नाउ बिकॉज दे आर ऑल्सो क्रिएटर्स. एंड तो बताओ मुझे फिर कैसे करते हैं, एंड मैं ना पूरी बात सुन ही नहीं पाती है, एंड आई जस्ट थिंक दैट this is a blessing also that you have a backup and everything. अच्छी बात है, but I'm saying that the content creation has also given people a lot. So because you have this backup, probably you can think this way. Because when I went to Mumbai, I was living in a 2 BHK with 4 other girls. वही 2 girls in 1 room वाला scene था before क्या, even after I got my show, because we didn't have any backup. So how can we say that okay, I wanted a sea facing apartment? हमारे लिए तो वो था कि लोखंडवाला में बैचलर्स को घर ही नहीं मिलता, हमें घर मिल गया, वही बहुत बड़ी बात है. So if people were saying कि एक दिन में 5 ऑडिशन कैसे दिए मैंने, क्योंकि घर से तो यही बोल के
But
गए
does it
थे.
mean there is with the young creators a lot of peer pressure? Because I have heard this from many, without naming anyone, that a lot of creators, not young but even who are not that young, are established, have gone berserk with their lifestyles up to a level. That's where the pressure comes, right? And
That is where it becomes
they've
unsustainable.
gone berserk with the cars they've taken on obviously bank loans. They are living in the South Bombays of the world. Is there a peer pressure, or you've seen maybe from the lifestyle part, creators go berserk in the lifestyles? Yeah, so what, on the same conversation, Arpit, as we were speaking, we've seen some go berserk. Not that we want to set a moral policing here, ki ye mat karo, wo mat karo, but as he also mentioned, is there a message from you all to the young creators on the way the trajectories are set? Like you said, मैं को creator बनना है, and you're also saying कि मेरे को engineer नहीं बनना, doctor बनना, creator बनना है, सबको creator बनना है. But
हर एक की जर्नी डिफरेंट है साहिल. Don't forget where you're starting from. I can't compare myself with Kusha or Masoom or anybody because she has her own journey.
Yeah.
So these young creators need to understand कि यहाँ पहुँचने के लिए ये सारा काम कर रहा है. They just want flash 2 reels on, we are viral, job छोड़ी and into content. And then there's no salary, and कहाँ salary तो है नहीं ना. You have to be so consistent. That and मुझे लगता है अपने काम पे फोकस करके ना, just be. I always say I want to be so good at my work that brands are going to find me and do work with me. ये नहीं करना किसी को, लेकिन तो
and you need to give it time.
Right.
have
It
to-
will never be exponential. It will be always sinusoidal. So कभी ups होंगे, downs होंगे, but you have to show up. But वही जैसे आप भी कह रहे थे कि अगर आपने initially अपने ऊपर इतनी ज़्यादा liabilities ले ली हैं, maybe you have a rented car, then you have taken so many things on EMI. I see, like I was going through a data, 7 out of 10 iPhones in India are right now sold on EMI, and mostly these are students who are between 20 to early career professional, 22 to 27 की एज है, और पहले ही आपने एक liability अपने ऊपर ले ली. So if you start glorifying things that don't belong to you, then sooner or later it will come and
That's a
backbite you.
staggering number. 7 out of 10 iPhones.
I don't know if this will help or not, but like I did my graduation. I went to Mumbai. I was doing my show. While doing my show, I did my course for B.Ed. And it is a course you need if you want to become
Teacher
a
बनने का plan
teacher.
था.
तो मेरा वही था, like the people on the set, they were asking me, कह रहे शो मिल गया, अब तो मतलब बढ़िया चल रहा है, तुम सेट पे बैठ के क्यों पढ़ाई कर रही है, मतलब क्या दिमाग में चल रहा है. If this can help anybody, क्योंकि मेरे दिमाग में यही था that this is not a consistent job. ये आज है, ये हो सकता है कि ये कल ना हो. So right now, even if I am doing content creation, I am not working paycheck to paycheck. It is like if I am relevant today, it is going good, but I can vouch for that this is not something that will stay forever. As people grow older, their salaries increase. कि अच्छा पहले मैं इस पोस्ट पे था, अब मैं इस पोस्ट पे आ गया. हमारे यहाँ उल्टा है कि आप जैसे जैसे आगे जाते जाते हो, आपको और मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, बिकॉज समवेयर देर अनइंटेंशनली अननोइंगली वो ये तो इरेलीवेंट हो गए, अरे ये तो बहुत पुराने हो गए, अरे ये तो अब यार इनसे तो सब बोर हो गए हैं. तो एक बैकअप प्लान कुछ भी रख के चलना. ये जब तक चल रहा है अच्छी बात है. आई विश फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस दैट this goes forever and we keep shining, but it is a very bright chance that this might not shine as bright as you're thinking. So for that, do not then just go haywire thinking that I never thought that what to do if I'm not doing this. Just some plan B should
Yeah.
be there.
So have your degrees in place.
Degrees in place is a must. But you three are established in your own domains as creators, and you said जितने पुराने होते जाते हैं कई बार उतना decline भी आ सकता है in the commercials also. So any one of you also keeps a very clean eye on the fact कि अच्छा यार ये मेरी फील्ड में ये नया क्रिएटर आ रहा है, मैं सैलरीड गाय हूँ, मैं इस नीश में काम कर रहा हूँ, ये देखो ये कल आया था, इसके तो 1 लाख व्यूज़ आ गए, मैं देखता हूँ ये क्या कर रहा है, कल को ये मेरी डील्स ना ले जाए आधे रेट में. एनी वन ऑफ यू?
नहीं, that is not the
बट
mindset.
देखते तो होगे कि नया कौन आ रहा है, वो कैसे
ब्रांड्स एजेंसीज बताती हैं
Agencies
कि
बताती हैं.
वो तो वो उसके इतने ज़्यादा फॉलोअर हैं और वो अभी अभी आई है और उसने हमारे को इतने पैसे दिए, तो मैं कहता हूँ उनके साथ काम कर लो. आई नो व्हाट आई ब्रिंग टू द टेबल.
बट यू डोंट हैव अ आई कि मैं चेक करूं. बट
इतना
देखना चाहिए ना,
mind
कंपटीशन
space-
नहीं है आपका वो.
साहिल माइंड स्पेस क्यों खराब करना है?
एनी ब्रांड, सो यू आर अ ब्रांड इन योर ओन वर्ल्ड, वुडंट यू वांट टू सी मेरा कंपटीशन क्या कर रहा है यार.
हाँ, मतलब I basically check 2 or 3 things कि what kind of content are they putting across, and half of the time it seems that मेरा ही कॉपी मार दिया तो ठीक है, it goes fine कि चलो ठीक है. अगर इसे
देन यू लेबल इट कि यार ये मेरा ही था.
नहीं वो नहीं करता है.
मैंने 1-2 बार करा हुआ ऐसे टाइप
मैंने देखा है बहुत सारे लिंक्डइन क्रिएटर्स, अगर उनकी कोई पोस्ट हो,
हाँ, वो लिंक्डइन पे करते हैं, पर मैं इंस्टा पे छोड़ देता हूँ क्योंकि आई ऑपरेट इन एजुकेशन डोमेन, तो ठीक है मैसेज ही एम्पलीफाई हो रहा है. बट हाँ, कभी थोड़ा तो बुरा लगता है कि यार पूरा ही छाप दिया, थोड़ा तो देख लिया होता कि कुछ तो क्रेडिट.
I see the way I talk, the way I sit, the way I shoot. I have seen, मेरे को इतने लोग भेजते हैं ना ये वाली, मुझे इतना मन करता है साहिल मैं उस पे लिखूं.
So my
मैं हूँ.
mom one day showed a video to me, and I will not
Obviously,
I will
yeah.
not say the name, but it was like
नहीं,
a
बोल
very,
दो आप.
it was a very a very known creator influencer. ये तो तेरे जैसे सेम बनाई है इसने, तो तूने बनाई थी वो. Then my dad has a restaurant. He explained it to my mom very nicely while he was talking to me. कहता बेटा देख हर दुकान में दाल मखनी मिलती है, हम किसी को रोक तो सकते नहीं, तुम अपनी दाल मखनी ऐसी बनाओ कि दुनिया तुम्हारे पास आए. एंड आई थिंक वो अपने वे में समझा गए, बट आई लव्ड इट कि आप बनाओ ना, अच्छी बात है. अगर आपको मेरा देख के आपको आइडिया मिल सकता है, बट द फ्लेवर दैट आई हैव टू माय वीडियो दैट कैन नॉट बी कॉपीड.
yeah, but a new creator may come up with a new style of
अच्छी बात है, हम उनसे सीखेंगे.
सीखेंगे. So there is always has to be an acceptance of
So
the
you
fact
have to
that
evolve
Yeah.
with time, and you have to like.
because
I
there
was
are 4
in,
million creators in India right now, as per the data of IRGC, the 4 million.
राइट.
A lot of them, and there's
And plus
साहिल
I
मैं
think
कितना इवॉल्व हो गई हूँ. मैं क्या मॉमी क्रिएटर थी बिल्कुल. फ्रॉम दैट
Yeah.
मॉमी क्रिएटर my kids have grown up now into teenage this thing. I talk about in-laws, parenting, then now fashion, lifestyle, woman entrepreneurship. You have to evolve.
have to evolve.
yourself.
Yeah. Well, I think you keep on hitting a audience plateau at certain point कि आपको पता है कि इस content से इस level तक ही आप जा सकते हो. Then either you pivot, या like me, I have decided कि I'll stay to this particular niche. But I have seen creators like Variku, if you see his content, it started with finance, now talks about relationship, also talks about investing, business. So वो आप हर बार इतने audience layer को add करते जाते हो. But I completely agree with your point कि every creator has a shelf life.
because possibly their audience is also aging, right?
Right.
Because my son was 5, he was watching a YouTube channel, now he's 14 and a half. So the audience is also aging, so maybe the creators also need to age, if I could say that. The ladies may
Evolve.
feel young, age is bad for ladies, but
Maybe evolve is the better word.
evolve is a better word. Okay, guys, moving on. An interesting conversation to have going forward is also around the legal part of the entire creator ecosystem, right? I mean, we've seen some unwanted, or unwanted or wanted, I don't want to label them, but some lot of challenges with, like, I'll take maybe Ranveer got deeply involved into some stuff. Then it was your Samay Raina. and we've had other people also get into hooked up. So what is your perception, Shashank? We'll start with you, because maybe your guardrails are different than theirs, because they are still their own free birds, but you still have to manage Google's entire maybe a guideline route. So what are your thoughts on the legal part of it? I want each one of you to give your own perspective. And have you seen a change, or you think last 12 months it got a little more stiff? Because IIGC has TriLegal as a legal partner, where obviously we don't protect each creator, but there are guidelines, there are education which we're also imparting. So start with you around the legal part. What do you see where it has changed the last 12 to 18 months?
Right. I think as a creator, I've become much more cautious of what I am putting out there. Even if I have an iota of doubt कि ये content थोड़ा सा भी backfire कर दे सकता है, I don't put it across. I know कि if I speak something controversial, I diss somebody, maybe जैसे मैं बताया था पहले किसी ने reel copy की, मैं उसी को add करके sequencing में diss कर दूँ. So I know it will go viral, but I avoid all those things because you want to be under certain guardrails when you are putting out content, and you become much more cautious क्योंकि आपको ये नहीं पता कि कब क्या backfire कर जाएगा. So yes, because of all of these things happening.
But as a creator, do you have that clarity, or do you still seek कि यार कुछ guidelines थोड़ी और clearly पता होनी चाहिए हमें?
हाँ, I think guidelines definitely help out because you should then have an understanding कि ये do's and don'ts हैं. So these are things which are allowed under policy, and these are things that are not. Like personally, I've put some guidelines for myself कि I'll not do any crypto app. I'll not talk about any betting kind of
Which
app.
are obvious.
Obvious.
But there are
हाँ,
grey
which are
areas
obvious.
as well,
Yeah.
right?
But if there are certain guidelines, or you as IAGC can help put that across, I think that framework will
Yeah,
be
I
helpful.
think as a part of the World Influencer Day celebrations, I think we're also launching the IIGC certified influencer program, where it's going to be a 40-minute quick e-learning, certification. We go log in, create your
Right.
own ID, go through a 40-minute course, and become an IIGC certified influencer, which will possibly have some segment of gray area cleared off.
Right.
Though it's not a warrant to do anything.
Right.
Tomorrow IIGC can't come and protect logically each one of the creators, but at least it's like a driving license I'm taken. I've gone through the theory.
Right.
तो मुझे पता है कि रेड पे नहीं जाना, मुझे पता है कि ड्रिंक करके नहीं चलानी, बट आई मे स्टिल ड्रिंक एंड ड्राइव, सो दैट इज विदाउट द प्रोटेक्शन. बट I think wanted to also announce the IIGC certified influencer launch on the 2nd of December, where we'll try to have some of these gray areas become very clear, that this is the guardrail, this is something you should definitely not say.
Right. I think that framework style is important as well because as a creator you can't have an excuse कि मुझे पता नहीं था. एक बार आपको पता हो गई चीज़ें, उसके बाद भी आप कर रहे हो, then audience will hold you accountable for things that you are saying or things that you are doing.
पर ये सच है, कई बार नहीं पता होता. That is why when IIGC comes in, और हम ट्राई वालों के बहुत भरोसे बैठे हैं, हमें बचा लेना साहिल. हमने कुछ किया तो.
कोशिश करेंगे पूरी.
What are your thoughts?
I just feel that I totally agree with what Sahil is saying, that this is the only way that we can take this forward. And अगर हमारे को मतलब थोड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबल खुद से होना पड़ेगा, एंड बाकी साहिल बचा लेना.
नहीं, साहिल बचा लेना. But has it shifted in the last 12 months because of these certain controversies?
मेरा तो कपिल शर्मा के बाद ही शिफ्ट हो गया था.
कपिल शर्मा के बाद
But कपिल शर्मा के साथ जो हुआ ना, and when I saw that whole thing and I was like, oh my god, we realize ही नहीं किया कि हम इतनी important पोजीशन बैठे हैं positions के ऊपर. Oh, we have
नहीं,
to be
but it
so
is just like
careful.
I just think that every thing has its pros and cons. तो अगर आपको इतना कुछ जो आपकी फेवर में जा रहा है, there are certain things which can probably go wrong, and if you have not done anything intentionally wrong, and you can obviously rectify it. And as everybody who was going through the entire controversy also got out through it very very nicely.
But do you think some of them are really apologetic for what happened, or they're also creating more content on the funny part of it?
I think
the silence says it. We want to say nothing.
No, but talking about any controversy which has happened, because
Right.
you say last 12 months a lot has shifted, but do you think any one of them is actually
Nee, I
feeling
think
sorry
if you
today
are
while they've made the
deeply-
entire creator ecosystem get very pushed
ये
back?
फर्क आया, IIGC आ गया, मतलब इन्फ्लुएंसर्स की तो मौज हो गई. आपने इतना कुछ कर दिया इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के लिए कि we all have benefited.
नहीं, अभी तो कोशिश कर
हमें
रहे हैं.
उससे
I
मतलब
will
है.
be happy if we can actually deliver a
नहीं,
lot to the creators.
आई थिंक पर्सनली इफ़ यू आर रिग्रेटफुल अबाउट अ थिंग दैट यू हैव डन, तो आप आगे या तो उसके बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं करोगे या आप उसको इंटरनलाइज करोगे. बट इफ़ यू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट एग्रेसिवली एंड स्टार्ट मेकिंग फन ऑफ इट, देन इट बेसिकली शोज़ कि वो इट डजेंट मेंट एनीथिंग टू यू. सो आई थिंक अगर थोड़ा सा भी रिग्रेट होता है या अंदर से लगता है कि यार ये तो गड़बड़ हो गई, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम या तो आप एकदम ही बात नहीं करते या चुप करके बैठे रहते हो साइड में. यू डोंट पब्लिकली देन एक्नॉलेज इट.
And I think if you have done a mistake, and obviously there has been a clear, media being after you, और उसका आप जोक कर रहे हो आगे, तो आप एक और बहुत बड़ा रॉन्ग एग्जाम्पल सेट कर रहे हो कि चलता है, which then can harm a person in a different way. We're talking about the other elements of society, which we'll not get into on this talk. But I think it has to be very responsible the way a creator puts out content. One is कि मेरे को कुछ ना हो. That's the fear we all have, right? But मेरी audience कैसे perceive कर रही है is also somewhere, I think. But I think
Person to person, and I think everybody deals with it in their own way, and some people dealt the way it is supposed to be dealt, but some people dealt with it the way it shouldn't have been dealt. So I just think it's person to person, and obviously we have to be a little responsible of what we say, because that comes with our profession.
and the reach you guys then
Right.
get. But I think what I hear common, and I'm happy to hear that in a way because of the IGC certified influencer launch, is the fact that there is a need of a lot more clarity.
Oh, yes.
There is a lot of confusion around. Like
Right.
crypto and betting is very obviously wrong.
Right.
But then there are areas where you're not sure whether I should say it or not say it. So I'm sure IGC certified influencer program will add a lot of value. Okay, moving on to a couple of more questions before we move to the lightning round. Future. I mean, we all are talking about the unpredictability of the creator economy somewhere, right? It can shift, new creators can come up. What do you think, Shashank? I'll start from you. In the next 5 years, long term in creator economy, let's talk 2 years. The next 2 years, what new trends you see, and if you have a one growth hack message for the
Right.
young creators, where do you see creator ecosystem moving to?
I think next 2 to 3 years, Sahil, what we will see, if you look at US market, creators there have started creating their own D2C brands. They are coming up with their own products. So as a creator, if you have built the distribution, you have trust, I think we'll be seeing more of creator-led brands like Flying Beast is there, Gaurav Taneja. You see that now his whey protein product is out there. He's selling out something. Then there is Dhruv Rathi who launched his own AI tool. Then there are other creators who are coming up with their own set of tools. So I think as a creator, this realization will strike कि ठीक है मेरा एक distribution base build हो गया. So what can I do with this base? And can I look at beyond brands for monetization piece? So I think we'll see a lot of more D2C brands coming up. In fact, now celebrities are latching onto this trend. If you see Arcs by Ranbir Kapoor, he also identified कि now एक base बन गया है. Launch it, then Hyphen is by Kriti Sanon. So I think what is happening with Bollywood celebrities, we'll see a lot of it happening with influencers as well. At least influencers will start leveraging their distribution to build out products.
And any growth hack for young creators?
I think growth hack is there always. Be consistent every day and at least given 1,000 days. And once you have given 1,000 days, you'll definitely see out there.
Give 1,000 days is what you're saying.
Yes.
Don't be in a rush.
Right.
Yes, Harpreet.
I'm just seeing it happen with me, entrepreneurship. I was so happy first in a job. I didn't know this existed. Then I was happy doing my creator thing. I didn't know an entrepreneurship thing was waiting for me. So I think, yes, how you said that going forward, we'll be launching our own brands. And like Nikki has done, Nithiba has done. She's launched her own beauty brand. I came up with 3 things now. I'm very surprised at myself, but then this is how this path is leading me. And I think you should just move with how this curve is moving. We're learning. I see we're learning every day. हर रोज कुछ नया आ रहा है, हर रोज कुछ नया सीख रहे हैं. When you scroll, there's so much going on and so many ideas come in then. So yeah, and growth hack, you learn every day. I have learned one thing in my journey that, again, what we both discussed also, consistency. You have to show up, good, bad, ugly, happy, sad, you have to show up.
Yeah.
And that's all you need to do in any job. It's just not this job. Just show up.
Yeah, like any other job, there's no overnight success. I think while the perception for creators at times is कि suddenly चल गया, but it was one of the 1,000 pieces which went. Shireen, what do you want to say about the next couple of years and a growth hack?
I really feel that this profession is taking over, and it will take over further, and everything and anything will be connected to social media and content creation, which we already see has started. And it will have both pros and cons. So the pros will be there and the cons will also be there. And yes, our generation, the upcoming generation is very fascinated with this new concept. They do not see the world that they haven't seen the world where we came from, a life without social media. And I agree to both of them that yes, it will be more business oriented. People will start their own brands, and I think not only brands, अभी हम सोच भी नहीं पा रहे हैं, क्योंकि और जैसे जैसे कि लोग इसमें और जुड़ते जाएंगे, they will come up with new ideas. We will be surprised. I think I can also not give an example because we will be surprised at how this can be connected with social media, and this will everything will grow together, and this will really take over the market. I really feel that.
Have any one of you ever thought about meeting some of your top fans, or
I do a lot of meetups.
I also do a lot of
you
I do
meet
a
them?
lot of
Yeah.
meetups.
That's
I have
interesting.
started this series called Sunday with Shirin, and I go and eat food with my fans, with my audience.
That's a new one for me. I never knew this happens.
Yeah, so basically I post कि अच्छा इस Sunday क्या खाएं, and then people share that यहाँ खाएं. So my team sends them a form. They fill the form that where do they want us to come and what are they making us eat, and then I go there with my team and they invite us कि अच्छा आज यहाँ खाएं. And I also do it with my friends also, and I also do it.
We'll do it. Promise. हमारा बना हुआ है plan Sunday को.
Yeah.
So you also make an effort to meet your top fans or your top
No,
followers?
it's not no top.
सबसे मिलना
I
है
travel
बस.
to cities. I have my brand tie-ups. They invite all my followers and fans, young influencers, and then I give a mentorship talk. And there's so much to learn from them. मतलब मैं इनको देख के मुझे लगता है भगवान जी thank you. आपने कहाँ बिठाया हुआ है, you know, like मतलब, and I hug each and every one of
That's
them.
exciting
Sahil.
because that's taking it from the social world to the real world. Shashank, you also make an effort to meet some of them, or
Yeah, so mine sessions are mostly related to either career upskilling or talking about finance. So there we keep on doing these sessions. Like December again, we are doing one in Gurgaon. So for work, I travel to Mumbai, Bangalore, and Delhi NCR is my base only. So every 2-3 months we do a follower meetup. But yeah, mine is mostly related to what you should be doing in your career. But it's good because once you meet people, then they tell you कि थोड़ा आप इस बारे में भी बात कर लो.
so you get good
हाँ,
feedback also.
फिर you also get to know कि आपने ये बोला था तो हमने ये अभी अप्लाई किया है, हो गया इसके चलते हमारा जॉब चेंज. Then you also get some validation कि चलो ठीक है, you're doing
Because
something.
yours is a very result oriented.
Right.
Kind of content. Lovely guys, excellent talking to you. The last section is the lightning round. As I said, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions. I'll ask each one of you the 7 questions one by one. I don't know what order I should start in. It's a lovely gift, but I'm honest.
It better be a good gift. इतना build up कर दिया ना साहिल.
देखो अब हम पराठा वाले तो है नहीं, हम देसी लोग हैं, तो हमारी औकात के हिसाब से अच्छा गिफ्ट है, ठीक है ना, बट आपको कुछ अच्छा देंगे. But yes, the best one gets. So there is a gift for everyone.
चलो ये
ठीक
तो
है, but
pressure
there is
कम हुआ.
no, but they're not the same gifts. So I have the right to decide who gets what.
Sahil is my best friend.
I know. So the spiciest
Sunday से
answers.
खाना खाने कुछ बढ़िया.
खाना भी खिला देंगे आपको, बहुत अच्छा नीचे का रेस्टोरेंट भी है. But the spiciest answers get the first one. So because we also want views, we're not as popular as remotely as all of you.
सारी बात नंबर पे आ जाती है.
नंबर पे आ जाती है. So I should start with whom? Who wants to start first?
Alphabetical कर लेते हैं.
अच्छा okay. Safe
Answer.
गाया.
So it's you then, Miss Suri. So we'll start now. You can make it as spicy as you want. No problem. An influencer you love and admire, and why?
I love Masoom Meenawala and I enjoy Deepa's content. I look up to them for how they have built what they have built.
Lovely. An influencer you think is highly overrated.
जिसके बारे में मैंने आपको उस रूम में बताया था.
तो उस रूम की बातें नहीं हो रही यहाँ पे, यहाँ बताओ.
कितनी गलत बात है. अच्छा ओके. नहीं मैं क्या नहीं मुझे बोला मुझे.
नहीं मतलब pass. This is not getting spicy for you. A brand you would love to work with, and why?
Oh, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, because these are the brands I so admire since my childhood. So yeah.
Biggest mistake you have made as a creator? इतना सोच रहे हो तो कोई नहीं करी होगी. या आपको अपनी करा कुछ गलती लगती ही नहीं.
नहीं यार मुझे लगता है मैं तो मतलब
मैं तो सही हूँ.
ऐसा मुझे तो लोगों से पूछना पड़ेगा ऐसा क्या गलत किया था मैंने. मुझे तो नहीं लगता है ऐसा मैंने कोई
चलो
पंगा लिया है.
next. One thing our audience would be shocked to know about you.
That I'm a very private person, extremely private. I like to be alone in my room. whereas I'm a totally different person when I meet people.
Anything happened in the last 1 year in the creator economy you want to clearly mention about?
Yes, I came across some videos where they showed that there's an accident on the road, and when people rush to pick that person, he comes up with a sailboat. I felt, I can't tell you what the rush that I had in me. I think I called up Siddhi after that. I said, you need to send this guy a notice. This is the lowest, you have gone on Instagram to do this. For a second I got shocked. मतलब मुझे लगा brute है. मतलब मैंने सोचा ही नहीं कि क्या कौन सा page है ये. Yeah, so that shocked me.
Any comments on Samay Raina, Ranveer Alabadia, or any of the defluencers like the Food Farmer?
For रणवीर अलाबादिया मैं उन्हें बहुत फॉलो करती हूँ. मतलब मुझे अच्छा
करती हूँ या थी?
अब ना मैं
करती थी.
ऐसी हो गई हूँ. लाइक कुछ आ जाए तो मैं देख लेती हूँ, बट लाइक फॉर मी ही वाज लाइक थोड़ा दिल सा टूट गया. अब मना रही हूँ अपने आप को, नहीं ही इज़ वेरी गुड, इतना अच्छा वो पॉडकास्ट करते हैं, वापस जाना चाहिए, वापस देखना चाहिए.
Anything on Samay Raina or
I don't
defluencers?
relate to his content, so I've
Defluencers who are slaughtering brands and then launching their own brands like the Food Farmer.
I feel very sad about it कि मुझे लगता है कि यार हम अपने this is our bread and butter. What are we doing and with whom are we doing stuff like this? With our own people. मतलब अब उनसे कोई लड़ाई थोड़ना है. मतलब we can come down to solutions, but
थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया वो. Not bad, Harpreet. I
नहीं
don't
यार
know if-
मैं नहीं मैं वो सेकंड वाला आंसर 2 मिनट बाद और कोई सोच के देती हूँ.
Not sure if this is spicy enough, but we'll
मैंने
see.
गलती करी, मैंने फर्स्ट कर लिया.
वो स्मार्ट है ना, देखो वो
मैं तो
गूगल वाला बंदा है,
alphabetical order
उसने
बोला था.
alphabetic बोल
अब बेटा
के.
कहीं और मिलो तो बताती हूँ मैं तुम्हारी सैलरी बॉय.
Okay, so between Shashank and Shireen, it's you.
Okay.
An influencer you love and admire, and why?
I think Nikhil Kamath, because he's putting himself out there and the content that he puts across helps me in understanding business fundamentals better.
And he has that subtle class. There's something about him, right? An influencer you think is highly overrated.
I used to follow Akshay Shrivastava a lot, but now I see that all of his content is becoming bit cynical, which I don't relate to, because you can't be bashing government, country all the time. You have to at least talk about some positives. I think that is missing.
A brand you would love to work with.
I think in my category, so I'm working with all the good brands out there. But yeah, would love to work with there's GMAT Council, because that is one audience segment that I'm trying to tap into, GMAT examination, because that audience segment is also aspirational. So maybe that.
They will hear you. Biggest mistake you've made as a creator?
I think not biggest mistake, but I felt that initially when I was putting across content, I used to put across a content which was lot more transactional in nature, कि follow कर लो, resume template मिल जाएगा, या LinkedIn के ये hacks है. तो उससे जो अब थोड़ी audience base बीच में 2 साल पहले build out हुई थी, that was bit transactional, but now I've taken a stand कि I'll not go into those kind of comment automation stuff. I'll make sure कि genuinely जो आ रहा है वो आ रहा है.
One thing your audience would be shocked to know about you.
They keep on talking about update your resume, but I have not updated my resume since last 2-3 years, because Google ही है जब से 9 साल से.
Anything happened in the last 1 year you want to mention about in the creator ecosystem, obviously?
I think one thing that she also touched base on was basically people using these cheap tactics to get views and likes and
that one
everything.
is-
I think that needs to be regulated somewhere. कि you are playing with the emotional sentiment to get all of these engagement metrics.
मुझे लगा था मैं पुलिस को कॉल कर दूँ, तो मैंने IIGC को कॉल किया. इन्फ्लुएंसर्स की पुलिस. Just figure this.
हमने पूरा उसको जी जेल में डाल दिया था. Anything you want to comment about Samay Raina, Ranveer Alabadia, and the defluencing like the Food Farmer?
I think Samay and Ranveer, they have a wide distribution. I think if you are catering to 30-40 million folks, you should be just cautious about what you are putting out there, because you might be coming up with a non-harmful intent, but chances are high कि कोई उसको पिक करके सोच सकता है. और यहाँ पे इंडिया में आप पब्लिक का कुछ नहीं कह सकते कि किसको क्या चीज़ चमक गई और फिर वो उसको फॉलो करने लगा. फूड फार्मर आई रिलेट टू, बिकॉज आई फील कि a lot of things such as palm oil and everything else was going inside what we were consuming, जो हम ले रहे थे अंदर. So he spread some word around it, and now we are seeing brand taking some stand. So I feel that he is going in the right direction. Maybe he can be little bit neutral, but I think he's in the right direction. At least what we are taking inside, we should be mindful about it.
Lovely. Okay, Shireen, you have the advantage of starting this in the end. An influencer you love and admire.
So, my favorite creator and probably who inspire me are one of the name that I would like to take is Gaurav Gera. I think he's the OG. He made wines. He started when nobody could not even think that ये यहाँ पहुँच जाएगा. There are, I'm sure this room will have shopkeeper fans, and he got Shah Rukh Khan and the entire Bollywood to shoot with him when like we didn't even have these smartphones and ring lights and technology. So I'm a big fan of Gaurav Gera, and I really think that he has contributed a lot to the content creation industry and the like in general also to our industry. He has contributed a lot, and I'm also very inspired, and I admire Zakir Khan a lot because of what I relate to what he has always been saying, because he says वैसे मतलब ना वो वाली फीलिंग आती है बिल्कुल कि हम भूख के पले बच्चे हैं, आज जब सब मिला है तो सब कुछ खाएंगे. एंड आई रियली फील दैट ही इंस्पायर्स मी अ लॉट एंड आई एडमायर हिम अ लॉट, क्योंकि ये एक सच्चे इंसान की कहानी है जिसने देखा था कि जिसने ये कहा था कि यार चाहे भूखे पेट सोना पड़े मैं मेहनत करूँगा, एंड इवन इफ आई कुड डू क्वार्टर ऑफ व्हाट ही हैज़ डन in terms of being honest to your craft, I think I have done it.
Lovely. An influencer you think is highly overrated?
I think some of the beauty influencers I really think are overrated.
A brand you would love to work with?
I would love to work with Red Chillies because they will make me meet my goal, which is to work with Shah Rukh Khan.
Biggest mistake you've made as a creator?
मैं स्त्री हूँ, मैं कभी गलत नहीं हो सकती.
One thing your audience would be shocked to know about you?
कि मैं चाय नहीं पीती. मेरी चाय reel has crossed 150 million, which is one of the highest reels, which is like on Instagram, one of the highest reels मतलब count की जाती है, and it was about like chai lovers, and people went crazy, and it got that reach, and everybody who meet me and they just say कि as they ask me चाय पियो, मैं चाय नहीं पीती. तो जिस दिन तेरी ऑडियंस को पता चल गया ना कि ये चाय नहीं पीती, उस दिन घर आएंगे आपके.
Anything happened in the last 1 year in the creator ecosystem you want to mention?
No, so I just think that we all just learnt a lesson of being a little more responsible with what we say and how we conduct ourselves.
So that
And
has come as a feeling for everyone, right?
everyone, and I think वो teaser था, तो हमें समझ जाना चाहिए that we अगर आपको इतना कुछ मिला है, so you can't be just very carefree, and if you are behaving that way, probably you will land up in a problem, and if you do not want to land up in a problem, just act right.
Any comments? Or please some comments on Samay, Ranveer and Food Farmers approach?
Especially for the creators like the Samay and Ranveer, like I would just say that bygones are bygones. जो हो गया सो हो गया. You guys are great when it comes to talent, when it comes to like your podcast, when it comes to your shows. अभी भी समय का show हुआ था and Houseful हुआ था, बहुत अच्छा हुआ था. तो I believe that I would as creators we should support each other rather than just pulling each other down. So it was like bygones हो गए, ठीक है, जो था वो चला गया. You have learnt your lesson. You guys apologized. You guys are fighters. You guys have come. You guys did a great comeback, and kudos to that. आगे बढ़ते हैं.
And our favorite Food Farmer, anything for him?
I just feel that it can we all are working together. So as I said, rather than pulling each other down, let's find ways where we can probably be a little more cordial and find a way which help all of us grow. क्योंकि ultimately सब तभी grow like I can grow when everybody around me is growing. So if I right now if I make negative comment on anybody, not because I don't want to, if I want to I will, but if I make a negative comment on you tomorrow, I will 100% make a mistake, then you will also not leave me, na? So it's better that I support
And I think
you.
also an understanding that if you are trying to be sensational, how long can you be sensational?
Controversies से
We all have to come to normalcy, right? मैं sensational content बना रहा हूँ रोज, उसकी तो पक्का एक shell life है, क्या करूँगा मैं? Because I'll be honest, it's a coincidence. Before the shoot, he's put something today or yesterday. अब वो कह रहा है कि ये मेरा प्रोडक्ट है, मैं आपको इसकी सारी ब्रेकअप दिखा रहा हूँ प्राइसिंग की. इसमें इतना रॉ मटेरियल की कॉस्ट थी, इतना इसमें GST है, इतना इसमें मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट है. Well, any smart or any basic, person behind the business can tell that's not possible beyond a certain scale.
इन चीज़ों की शेल्फ लाइफ होती है, टैलेंट की और हार्ड वर्क की
I
शेल्फ लाइफ
think
नहीं
being
होती.
sensational will have a limit.
यस, वही शेल्फ लाइफ.
Brilliant, guys. I've overshoot by 15-20 minutes.
मैं हैम्पर की वेट कर रही थी.
So the thing is, सबको तीनों को सेम ही गिफ्ट है. ऐसे ही मैंने फेंका था कि कोई ज़्यादा मसालेदार देगा. हरप्रीत, this pressure was not required. You all get the same hamper, which Hilda has very fondly bought for you. But it's been an awesome conversation, guys. I thoroughly enjoyed this. Didn't seem to me like
Yeah.
So did
hosting because it was such fun. Thank you very much, each one of you.
Thank you for
this-
having
you.
us, Sahil.
Thanks to the entire team
The
for
entire team, thank you.
being supporting us. Thank you very much, Shashank. Thank you, Harpreet. Thank you, Shireen. Possibly
so
we'll have more conversations as we move forward around IIGC.
Absolutely.
Thanks for contributing to the World Influencer Day. And we really hope we can bring, as what I've also heard, and it's very interesting is, and it's very, comforting for us to know, because we are working towards adding value to creators. IIGC was formed just 8-9 months ago, so it's not been extremely long. But we've done shows in Gurgaon, we've done a show in Bombay, we've done a show in Bangalore, and now this series starts
Right.
of the World Influencer Day. So I think the sincere effort, or a very genuine effort from all of the people behind the scenes, is also to add value to the creators, so that creators like you, Harpreet, who've been so kind to us, genuinely come and say that thanks IIGC for being supportive. I hope we can sort some problems for you. I hope we can add value. Because what I've also heard in the conversation is that genuinely a clarity is missing.
Right.
So I think, I don't want to announce it, but we also have met a couple of ministries in the last couple of months, thanks to Hilda. And we're trying to position that if there is a more synergical value we can create for the entire ecosystem.
Thank
So
you.
my
That's
heartfelt
that-
thanks to all three of you.
Thank you.
Hopefully you like what comes out. We'll share some teasers with you. We would want to write on some of the reach you guys have to make the entire talk show also popular. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.